when you look through your plants, you might find there are both ants as well as these white insects called mealybugs. You know the reason? They have a symbiotic relationship, which means the mealybugs, they provide food to the ants and in return the ants protect them. So let's make a simple solution at home to get rid of these pests. So let's see how. Here I have taken 1 liter spraying bottle and our normal shampoo. I used a spraying bottle as it would be more convenient to water our plant. So now let's add 3 ml of the shampoo solution to 1 liter of the water and then shake the solution well. Our solution is ready to be used. Make sure to do this process during the night. Spray the solution evenly over the leaves and under the leaves as well, and the places where the mealybugs have infected more. Now, the next morning, make sure to water the plants with normal water before 12 pm. This is done to ensure that the solution doesn't harm the plants and also doesn't affect its photosynthesis process during the day. You have to check your plants regularly, and if you find these mealybugs again, you have to repeat the process with a week's gap. In this way, you can keep our plants healthy as always. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos like these. Also enable the bell icon next to it so when we upload, you will receive our videos as notifications. Thank you for watching.